Hello, here is Dinar and you're watching a video digest in which we share the most important events in the history of string transport and the Skyworld community company development over the past weeks. In this release, new release of uSky podcast, all the secrets of Skyworld community's Premium Club. uSky Transport is establishing a sustainable future for all. Premiere of a video report on the creation of a unique geospace complex in the ocean. Let's not waste time and get straight to the first event. In the new release of the podcast, the hosts will reveal all the advantages and secrets of the Premium Club, as well as tell you how to become its member, what opportunities are open to those who have already received the premium status, and how the closed club helps humanity. And on top of that, experts will share the chance to attend the opening of the Skyworld community's Premium Club in Dubai. uSky Transport took part in the event, which was organized by Backout Company, one of the world leaders in the field of materials science, steel wire transformation, and coating technologies. By providing eco-friendly and efficient transport solutions, uSky Transport strives to help maintain a clean environment and is a prime example of the commitment to the green path that Backout conveys. On October 7th, within the framework of the international conference Non-Rocket Near Space Industrialization, Problems, Ideas, Projects, the premiere of the technological solution for the takeoff and landing complex of the all-planetary vehicle in sea and ocean areas took place. The broadcast was held in 3 languages, English, Russian, and Vietnamese, and the performance created a sensation among viewers and experts. That was the main news for today. Please put your likes and leave your comments for this release. See you later!